This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
आज फिर एक बार हफ्ते की शुरुआत में ही मैं कहने वाली हूँ बधाई हो. That's also the name of the show. And बधाई is being extended to Himanshu Chavan, who's in the system for about 3 months now. This is Go MMT Radio. I'm your host Annie. Himanshu, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Annie. It's a pleasure to join Make My Trip. Actually, I would like to just thank you for pronouncing my last name very correctly. I moved to Gurgaon. I'm from Mumbai. Got a lot of Maharashtrians around, so they don't know how to pronounce my name. So yeah, that I think they take cues from you.
MMT में आकर 3 महीने से आपको कैसे लग रहा है?
Enjoying it quite a bit. I always wanted to work someplace where there is a big group of people to support you. आपका काम शेयर करने के लिए, आपको गाइड करने के लिए ज्यादा लोग हैं. मैं अब तक स्टार्टअप्स में काम करते आ रहा था बिफोर दिस.
अच्छा.
तो बहुत छोटे टीम्स में, एंड इफ यू वांट टू गेट सम हेल्प आपको ऑनलाइन जाना पड़ता था. ऐसा था कि नॉट एवरीबडी वाज एन एक्सपर्ट एट डूइंग एवरीथिंग, राइट? तो some people would be an expert at one thing and then they would learn everything else from the internet or networking, whatever. यहाँ पे एक advantage मेरे को यही लग रहा है कि I'll find expert on some field if I try to reach out to them. मतलब मेरे को बस पूछना है कि मुझे इस चीज का एक्सपर्ट से बात करनी है and my team will guide me to आप जाके X team में जाके इस पर्सन से बात करो. तो उनसे आप गाइडेंस ले सकते हैं, which is great and it's the advantage of working in a
करेक्ट. एंड बिग के साथ साथ ये डाइवर्सिफाई भी कर रहे हैं. दे नो व्हाट डायरेक्शन दे आर टेकिंग. दे नो दैट दे नीड टू हैव देयर रिसर्च इन प्लेस. देयर इज डेडिकेशन टुवर्ड्स बिकमिंग नॉट जस्ट द बिगेस्ट बट आल्सो द बेस्ट.
और वही मेरा इंटेंशन भी था इस कंपनी को ज्वाइन करने के लिए कि आई विल गेट टू लर्न अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. आई वाज हैंडलिंग मोबाइल मार्केटिंग बिफोर. मैंने एसईओ जो मेरा रोल है एक्चुअली एसईओ एंड पेड मार्केटिंग, वो मैंने नहीं सीखा था. तो वो अपॉर्चुनिटी मुझे मिल रहा था. ड्यूरिंग माय इंटरव्यू आई वाज बीइंग टोल्ड कि आपको सिखाएंगे. तो दैट इनिशियली वाज अ वेरी अट्रैक्टिव थिंग कि हाँ मुझे सीखने मिल रहा है. और आउटलुक था मेरा पहले से ही, ज्वाइन करने से पहले से इनफैक्ट.
सीखने के लिए तो अब बहुत कुछ है आगे के महीनों में. एंड आई थिंक द जर्नी इज गोइंग टू बी एक्साइटिंग फॉर हिमांशु, गोइंग बाय व्हाट ही इज ऑलरेडी शेयर्ड. अब हिमांशु, ट्रैवल कंपनी है ये, उस बात की भी एक्साइटमेंट थी जब आप ज्वाइन कर रहे थे?
हाँ, मतलब कॉर्पोरेट इंसान क्या करता है? कॉर्पोरेट इंसान कमाता है, घूमता है, कमाता है, घूमता है. एटलीस्ट मेरा और मेरा सर्कल तो यही करता है.
अच्छा.
I just earned to travel. That's has been my life for the last 2 years. It's the best thing that a person can do in his young age. That's what I would say. Old age में भी, but young age में आप बहुत experiment भी कर सकते हो.
When you're younger and you travel a lot more, I think इतने सारे अलग अलग किस्म के लोगों से आप मिलते हो, उनके फूड और कल्चर के बारे में जानते हो, तो आपका पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ लाइफ ही चेंज हो जाता है.
That helps you, आपको फिर आगे जाके आप समझ सकते हो कि क्या आगे जाके आपको करना है, कैसे रहना है. इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग्स, जब भी मैं ट्रैवल करता हूँ, आई ट्राई टू स्टे in an Airbnb or some in local hostels so that I am closer to the local people there.
Correct.
तो मैं एक बार कोडाईकनाल गया था and I had gone to a place which was a homestay at the side of the cliff. और वो एक मेरे दोस्त का दोस्त चला रहा था उसको होमस्टे को, and people would come there, volunteer, stay for 6-7 months, do organic farming. और वहां पे बस रहते थे वो लोग. वो बस उस चीज को प्रमोट कर रहे थे कि आपको कहीं जाके यू डोंट हैव टू लिव एक्स्ट्रावेगेंटली, हेल्प आउट विद द पीपल हु आर स्टेइंग देयर. उनको मदद करो, खाना बनाओ, ये सब करो. बस आपको वहां पे यू गेट टू लिव द गुड लाइफ, ब्रीथ द फ्रेश एयर, ईट फ्रेश फूड. सो दैट काइंड ऑफ चेंज माय पर्सपेक्टिव आल्सो कि ट्रैवल शुडंट बी एक्सपेंसिव, इट जस्ट हैज टू बी विलिंग. आप ढूंढ सकते हो कहीं भी जाके, यू जस्ट हैव टू स्पीक टू द राइट पीपल.
करेक्ट. एंड आई थिंक व्हेन इट कम्स टू द राइट पीपल, एमएमटी तो है ही, और अब आप भी आए हो इस मिक्स में, सो यू विल ब्रिंग इन योर पर्सपेक्टिव टू एमएमटी. हिमांशु, ट्रैवल के बारे में ना बहुत अच्छी बात कही आपने. ग्राउंडेड रहना, रूटेड रहना कितना जरूरी है जब आप ट्रैवल करते हो, क्योंकि उसी पर्सपेक्टिव को और उसी सीख को आप वापस लेकर आते हो और अपनी जिंदगी में भी लागू करते हो. तो समथिंग चेंज्ड इन यू आफ्टर दैट कोडाईकनाल एक्सपीरियंस?
Yes. So what I and my wife have taken up is we try to plant as many trees. It's just a private garden. I mean, just in our balcony we plant so many trees. Try to grow some sort of vegetables. हम लोग at least try कर रहे हैं उस चीज को लेके. वो तो मैंने सीखा वहाँ पे, especially in Kodaikanal. And another thing that I went to Bali, so I did bring some seashells, some collectibles from the seashore over there.
Nice.
I try to decorate our house using those small knickknacks. We bring these small things from wherever we travel.
बहुत
Kind of a
अच्छे.
keepsake. memory भी अच्छी बन जाती है.
Beautiful. So many stories you can share about it with your children, with your friends, with your family. It's amazing. मुझे बताना, when these things come together at a workplace, how much of your productivity you think increases or improves?
Okay, so productivity के बारे में तो, I mean, I have not been able to experience it so much, but imagination is something that I've seen has, improved. I mean, I get to think of new ideas in terms of where people are going to travel, what sort of accommodation they might be looking into. So I can offer fresh perspectives.
Oh, that's very good. A lot of good time at MMT. Previous jobs that you've done, Himanshu, what kind of experiences have you had? You did mention startups. So how different were they from a setup that you are in today?
So I started with Go Digit Insurance. Primarily doing B2B marketing. So insurance, like the name, like the industry might suggest, it must be a bit boring, must be a bit old. But the crowd that I worked with was a very young bunch. We were trying to revolutionize insurance, how it is being sold in the country, how it is perceived in the country.
Right.
We made it fun.
Right.
Then I moved to a gaming company where I was trying to build a user base for online Rummy app. So that was also very interesting. जहाँ पे मैंने खुद कभी रमी नहीं खेला था, तो मुझे पहले रमी सीखना पड़ा, फिर मुझे बाद में लोगों को खेलने के लिए मजबूर करना पड़ा. So that, how do I influence people to open the app, keep on playing every time? How do I ensure that they have the best experience from playing the game, not feel too bad if they lose, not feel too confident if they win. So all of these things had to be managed.
That's interesting. You're saying not too confident if you win, huh?
एक बार इंसान को लत लग जाती है, तो then he'll try to bet more and more. It was real money actually.
Yeah,
they try to bet more and more, and they'll end up losing.
Correct.
Who knows? That's always possible.
Yeah.
So we had to temper their expectations over there as well.
And so what goes to show today is that you don't necessarily need to be stuck to an industry. But in moving so often from one industry to the other, do you think it's okay to do that?
So it depends on what sort of work that you're doing. My work has always been a bit industry agnostic. So it's all about data, all about how you understand the customers. वो अगर आपको आता है, वो अगर आप apply कर सकते हो, तो you can work into any sort of a company or an industry that you like. That's my point of view.
Now is where we close everything with a fun rapid fire round. Are you ready for this?
Yeah. That's
okay.
The rapid fire round.
Describe your style in one word.
Oh my God, that's a tough one. I try to be carefree but conscious.
One subject you would really love to learn a lot more about. Doesn't have to do anything with work.
So, history of how people came to be. Anthropology, that's what it's called. Read a couple of books, but...
Nice. Do you collect anything? Do you have a hobby of collecting?
Fridge magnets. Everywhere I travel domestically.
I know, my God, we all end up doing that. That's so cool. What's your favorite word? Is there anything that you really like to keep repeating all the time?
So ever since I have experienced North India, I keep on repeating the word Bhai Sahab is my exclamation word. कि कुछ अच्छा हो जाता है, कुछ amazing सा हो जाता है, I'll say Bhai Sahab.
Okay.
Followed by ये क्या हो गया?
Skydiving, bungee jumping, paragliding. What's your pick?
Do I have to choose one?
You want all three? Go for it.
Skydiving, yes, definitely is on my list.
Okay, what is the kind of landscape that you would like to live in? Your dream landscape? Do you want to be by the beach, the mountain, the river, a valley, a stream, or in a city?
Mountains have always been my go-to place.
Nice. On your bucket list, 2 places that you have already ticked off in the past 5 years.
I've always wanted to go to Kodaikanal, that I've been to, and recently I've learned about Bali, and then that's also has been ticked off on my bucket list. Next, I'll be going to Thailand.
That was my next question, actually. What are the 2 places that you would like to go to? They are on your bucket list.
First, I said Thailand because it's very close, very accessible. And the second one is a bit adventurous. I would like to go to Iceland.
The Northern Lights, hot springs, and there are so many things that you can do in this place called Iceland, which might be very remote, so to speak, because it's very sparsely populated, but at the same time, that place has so much to offer. Oh my God, yeah. I really, really wish and hope that all of your dreams come true soon, Himanshu. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you enjoyed this chat today.
Thank you, Annie. Thanks a lot.
But I'm not going to let you go so soon. You still have one request to go. So what song would you like to listen to as we close our session today?
So I had a song in mind. I did tell you about this while we were off.
Can't Feel My Face.
Yeah, Can't Feel My Face from Weekend. Yeah.
Yep, it's going to be Can't Feel My Face by The Weeknd. That's what we're closing with. Thank you once again and all the very best. Himanshu Chavan from Online Marketing based out of Gurgaon. This is Badhai Ho on Go MMT Radio. Your host Annie. Ciao for now. Of course, I will be seeing you more this week. Bye-bye.
दिल का दरिया बह ही गया, इश्क इबादत बन ही गया, खुद को मुझे तू सौंप दे, मेरी जरूरत तू बन गया, बात दिल की नजरों ने की, सच कह रहा तेरी कसम, तेरे बिन न लेंगे एक भी दम, तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम, तेरे साथ हो जाएंगे खत्म, तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम.
Make my trip. This is Vrinder Sehwag on your very own Go MMT Radio. Get set, go.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT Radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT Radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.